Stop blinding yourself at 2 a.m. If your Google Chrome still looks like a flashbang, we need to fix that right now. Here is how to turn on dark mode in less than 30 seconds. First, the easiest way. Chrome actually follows your computer's system settings. So if you're on Windows or Mac, just go to your system settings, turn on dark mode globally. To do that, open the Start menu, go to Settings, then Personalization, then Colors. Under Choose Your Mode, select Dark, and boom! Chrome instantly flips to the dark side. But what if you only want Chrome in dark mode? Easy. Open a new tab, look at the bottom right corner, and click Customize Chrome or the little pencil icon. Under the appearance settings, force it to dark. Bonus pro tip. To force every single website on Earth into dark mode, type Chrome://flags in your search bar. Search for dark mode and enable auto dark mode for web contents. Restart Chrome and thank me later. And that's how you save your eyes, smash that like button, and subscribe for more quick tech tips.